Imagine that you were given 5 instruments in a compact, lightweight package. Imagine that it had the same performance as lab instruments, but was still portable and rugged for use in the field. You've just imagined our new handheld digital oscilloscope, the Rohde & Schwarz Scope Rider. Give us 2 minutes and you will never look back. The Rohde & Schwarz Scope Rider delivers the capabilities of a lab oscilloscope in a handheld package. Custom-designed integrated circuits and the dual-core system on a chip-based processing architecture yield top performance and speed. Troubleshooting industrial equipment and electrical installations in the field, or debugging power circuits with dangerous voltages in the lab, both require independent, isolated channels with highest safety ratings. The isolated Ethernet and USB interfaces ensure that you can safely connect to the instrument when you measure. The large capacitive touch panel provides a crystal clear signal display and lets you intuitively control the device. Large buttons make it easy to operate the instrument, even when wearing gloves. And the multifunction wheel allows settings to be quickly adjusted. The Rohde & Schwarz Scope Rider makes your daily measurement work easier. Collect all your measurement data at the push of a single button and download it later to your PC via wireless LAN, Ethernet, or the USB interface. And finally, the 5 instruments in one make the Rohde & Schwarz Scope Rider the perfect multi-purpose tool. Experience unsurpassed versatility in your hand, in the lab, or in the field. Any place you measure, the Rohde & Schwarz Scope Rider is the perfect companion. And when extra safety is needed, the Rohde & Schwarz Scope Rider can be remotely controlled via wireless LAN, separating the measurement location from the place where the user controls the instrument. The Rohde & Schwarz Scope Rider, more than a handheld oscilloscope.